Hey everybody, welcome back once again. We are still in Module 5 and we are talking a little bit more about proportions and setting up some proportions with some word problems or applications in real life. Let's suppose you have got a job. You've been able to get out there into the workforce, find you a good job with your degree from Aiken Tech, and let's suppose in that job you made $418 in 4 days. Now that is actually a rate, $418 in 4 days. At that same pay rate, how much would you make in 14 days instead of 4 days if you worked at that same pay rate? Well, what we want to do is first set up a quick rate, and our rate is going to be $418 in 4 days. Now remember, it's very important that we write the units down that we're talking about. I don't just want to put numbers down without units here, so I love putting the unit of $418 in 4 days. So to solve this problem, I'm going to come across and set that rate equal to another rate. Okay? This whole thing is called a proportion. When we have a rate equals another rate, that's a proportion that we're working with. And in this other rate, we're going to make sure that we put dollars across from dollars and days across from days. So at that same pay rate, how much will we make in 14 days? So here's our unknown, our X or our question mark. And we're going to use our shortcut now. We're going to jump in and pull up our handy dandy little calculator. I think this thing might be an antique. I don't know. What do you think, guys? It's kind of, I don't know if I've seen one quite that old. Anyway, but I think it still works, so we're going to give it a go here and see what we can do. So I'm going to cross multiply 418, and I'm going to do that. It's going to be times 14. Okay, so 418 times 14. And with my antique calculator, I'm getting 5852. Now I'm going to come immediately behind that and divide that by 4. So I'm going to go right back into my handy calculator, go divided by 4 equals 1,463. Whoa, I need to go on and get me some more work in, don't I? That's pretty cool. So if I work 4 days, make 418. If I go on and work 14 days, I'm going to make $1,463. Greenbacks, smackaroos. Yeah, let's get the money. All right, so there you go. That's how we set up this to get a rate equals another rate for a proportion, and we are ready to go. I hope that helps you, and I will see you next time.